Hey guys, it's Tami with Your Lifestyle Broward, and I am in the kitchen today. I want to surprise my partner, my husband, with a dessert for this afternoon. And so as I go along, I wanted to share my video of how to make a cheesecake, and so therefore I want to be able to show you some ingredients that I'm going to be using, and then I'll show you the end result, and then probably share with you what my husband think and whether or not he thought it was a good idea for me to bake. All right, here we go. So what I'm gonna be putting in my cheesecake today is your regular cream cheese. They advise 22 ounces, so I got both the large and the small. I'm also gonna be adding some walnut as topping at the end. Also there is some cream cheese, which I'm going to be adding in my cheesecake, and to spice it up a little bit, I'm going to be actually adding some yogurts as well, and some s'mores, which would kind of give my cheesecake a little bit more crunch and some flavor. Here is all my cinnamon, nutmeg. Also going to be using nutmeg extra. My here's vanilla, and I'm also going to use some almond extra. Now we're also going to put eggs in, so I am going to be whipping these up. I do like this brand, so I'm going to be using cage-free egg. Now I didn't want to make my crust from scratch today because I don't have much time. You'll hear my baby in the background. As a mom, we can hardly find time to do much, but I definitely want to surprise him. So here we go. This is a pie crust, and I'm gonna be using raw sugar as well in all my mixture. So next I'm gonna show you what the mixture looked like, and then at the end what the cheesecake looked like. Okay, if you have any questions, just comment, but we'll see. You probably can do a better cheesecake than me, but let's see. I wanted to share this video with you. All right, so far I've had 1 teaspoon of nutmeg extra in there. I've also added some nutmeg, so just to give it a little bit more flavoring. I added my cinnamon, and I also added 1 tablespoon of almond and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extra. Okay. And so I'm gonna go ahead and whip this up. So far I've added the sour cream, which is 2/3 cup. I've added eggs. I've only put 2 eggs in here, and also I've added the yogurt and the sugar. With sugar I only put 1 cup. All right, looking good. Alright, this is with me putting all the mixture into the pie crust, and we're going to bake for 60 minutes on 325. Alright guys, this is the end product. I hope you like it. This is after 60 minutes in the oven for 325, and this is I'm actually showing my daughter's little card day that she made this week. She's so cute. And here I do hope my husband liked this as much as I enjoy baking it today. All right, give me a thumbs up for effort. See you guys in the next one.